How to make homemade Arabian Baklava with blackberry mint juice, Iftar and Ramadan special. Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to our multi-recipes and cookeries channel. With Ramadan around the corner, we're bringing you a special treat today, homemade Arabian Baklava paired with refreshing blackberry mint juice. Perfect for iftar and any Ramadan gatherings, this recipe is not only delicious but also affordable and beginner-friendly. So, let's dive into the world of aromatic spices and sweet delights. Segment 1, Introduction to Baklava. Baklava, a traditional Arabian dessert, is a delightful combination of crispy layers of phyllo pastry, sweet nuts, and aromatic syrup. It's a staple during Ramadan, enjoyed by families and friends after a day of fasting. Segment 2, Ingredients. Here are the ingredients you'll need. 1. Phyllo pastry sheets. 2. Mixed nuts, such as pistachios, walnuts, and almonds, finely chopped. 3. Unsalted butter, melted. 4. Granulated sugar. 5. Ground cinnamon. 6. Cloves. 7. Lemon juice. 8. Honey. 9. Water. Segment 3, Preparation of Baklava. Now, let's move on to the preparation. 1. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius. 2. Begin by preparing the nut mixture. In a bowl, combine the finely chopped mixed nuts with sugar, cinnamon, and cloves. 3. Brush the bottom of a baking dish with melted butter. 4. Carefully layer a sheet of phyllo pastry in the dish and brush it with melted butter. 5. Spread a generous amount of the nut mixture evenly over the phyllo pastry layers. 6. Continue layering the phyllo pastry sheets on top of the nut mixture, brushing each sheet with melted butter. 7. Once you've used all the pastry sheets, carefully slice the baklava into diamond or square shapes using a sharp knife. 8. Bake in the preheated oven for about 35 to 40 minutes or until golden brown and crispy. 9. While the baklava is baking, prepare the syrup. In a saucepan, combine water, sugar, lemon juice, and honey. Bring to a boil, then reduce the heat and let it simmer for about 10 to 15 minutes until slightly thickened. 10. Once the baklava is done baking, remove it from the oven and immediately pour the hot syrup over the hot baklava, ensuring it covers all the pieces. 11. Allow the baklava to cool completely before serving, allowing the syrup to soak in and enhance the flavors. Segment 4, Introduction to Blackberry Mint Juice. Now, let's complement our sweet baklava with a refreshing blackberry mint juice. This vibrant drink is bursting with flavor and is the perfect accompaniment to any iftar spread. Segment 5, Ingredients for blackberry mint juice. Here's what you'll need. 1. Fresh blackberries. 2. Fresh mint leaves. 3. Lemon juice. 4. Honey. 5. Water. 6. Ice cubes, optional. Segment 6, Preparation of blackberry mint juice. Now, let's prepare the juice. 1. In a blender, combine the fresh blackberries, mint leaves, lemon juice, honey, and water. 2. Blend until smooth and well combined. 3. Taste the juice and adjust the sweetness or tartness according to your preference by adding more honey or lemon juice if necessary. 4. If desired, strain the juice to remove any pulp or seeds. 5. Transfer the juice to a pitcher and refrigerate until ready to serve. 6. When serving, pour the blackberry mint juice into glasses filled with ice cubes for a refreshing touch. Segment 7, Serving and Presentation. And there you have it, our homemade Arabian baklava paired with refreshing blackberry mint juice, a delightful combination for iftar and Ramadan gatherings. Ingredients and preparations methods are in the description box. Serve the baklava on a decorative platter, garnished with a sprinkle of crushed pistachios for an extra touch of elegance. Thank you for joining us today as we explored these delicious Ramadan treats. We hope you give these recipes a try and share them with your loved ones. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our Multi-Recipes and Cookeries channel for more exciting recipes and Ramadan specials. Until next time, Ramadan Kareem. Assalamu alaikum.